need to respect the past, but equally look to the future by exploring technology to reach our goals. Our work is about precision and timing, which demands trust and judgment, so nothing is out of reach. This is more of a science than many think, and there will always be risks, so minimizing them is essential. We are fine-tuning our skills, developing confidence, and achieving success. Become a CGMA and achieve your potential with CIMA.
So very good evening to one and all gathered here. Good evening. So it's really hard, the evening session, especially after the tea break, and with already few seats vacant at the back and the middle, right? So my name is Suresh Radhakrishnan. I call myself as a Chief Tea Officer, one of the world's first person to have the title as Chief Tea Officer. So I'm very much proud. Guys who have 4G connection, you can right away Google it. So I'm the first person to have Chief Tea Officer as the title. So let me introduce myself. I'm a very shameless person as an entrepreneur, right? So even the speaker session today, I shamelessly called up Sashikant and asked for an opportunity, right? So he didn't invite me. I myself invited for the session today, right? So that's one of the stylish photograph I've got, right? So I call myself as the Chief Tea Officer. I run a venture called Chai King. It's a premium QSR tea outlet. So I was born and brought up in a very small town near Coimbatore, just 40 kilometers from Coimbatore. It's a place called Pollachi. A very, very introvert guy, a very calm guy. So it's one of the old photographs I've got. Like I'm like Rahul Gandhi, right? So I never speak loud, and very average academics person, and I've never proposed a girl seriously. But I fell in love with a lot of girls, good-looking girls especially. But I've never proposed. I'm like Idayam Murali types all the time. Heart crush, weeping in the heart, but couldn't have the guts to say. So that was like my childhood was like that. So when I became an adult, as every school near Coimbatore, Namakkal does it, I was also pushed to write cycle test every day in the morning, another mid test, another night test, evening test, late night test. So I scored 94% in 12th. So I wanted to do catering and hotel management, but I was forced to do engineering, like everybody else in the crowd. So I went ahead and became a software engineer. So after that, in 2006, I came to Chennai to work for a company called Sifi Technologies. I also had a dream to work for 10 years, earn some good money, go abroad, come down to Pollachi and start an experiential learning school. That was the biggest dream that I got at that point in time. But after joining the company, things got changed. I became very restless. Manager da satham bota, namak tension agarade, monotonous ore veliye seirade. So all these problems I did faced. So that's where I started reading a lot of business magazines, business books, especially autobiographies of a lot of successful entrepreneurs. So I come from a business family. My family business is into finance, agriculture, and things like that. So my dad wants me to start some business to make money. So I also thought business is just to make money. So people have thought just to make money. I've never made money because money is only a byproduct in the process. So when I started reading all these books, I made myself realized that business is not just to make money. You need to create a lot of employment, create temporary wealth for others. So I always believe in creating temporary wealth for others because we're all temporary wealth holders, right? So someone would say, I want a 15-acre land. For how long? Tomorrow, if you're no more in this world, even that 15-acre is not going to belong to you, right? So that's the thought of transformation that I had when I started reading a lot of books. So money can do only little things for you, but money can do great things through you, right? So maximum, if I can have 2 lakhs of money every month, I can live a very luxury life, right? What more I want? Why should I do business? Because money can do greater things through you. So that's sort of belief that I got. So that's the reason I wanted to do something really meaningful. So these 4 incidents, very important in my life. So resigned my first and last job. So I'm not going to join any company now, even if I'm going to fail in this Chai King venture, right? So my marriage was a very controversial love marriage. To tell you an example, I did fell in love with a girl in college. I tried hard for 3 years to convince my parents to get married. Typical example is that whenever you're in love, your family wants you to go to temple, take the astrology, book horoscope, every crap thing they wanted to get you in. So I was also one among those people went through all this stuff. So a typical example is that we went to a temple. My parents took me to a temple in Palani Murugan Kovil. I prayed that I should marry my ex-lover, now my wife, with my parents' consent. My mom prayed that I should marry a girl of their choice, but neither of these things happened. God got confused. We paid a lot of money to God. He became rich. I became poor. So nothing happened. End of the 3 years, I was forced to oppose my parents, marry my lover, who is my wife. So that was a very, very hard time. I underwent lot of difficulties. So I had a disagreement with my parents. So whenever there is disagreement, parents believe that is disrespect. Karthu verupaadukkum avamariyadhikku nariya vyathyasam irukku, right? So parents see it as avamariyadhi, but we see it as karthu verupaadu. So that was this. I was out of home for 4 years. That time I started my company in 2011. I started my training business. So I thought after the first 5 years, I should own a BMW Audi. I still own an old Honda City because my vision was wrong, right? So we couldn't scale the business beyond a point. So in the process, I got married. As I told you, when I started the company, I got married. My wife became my first angel investor. So jewel loan is the best form of the loans in this world. So it's the lowest. No, seriously, I'm not kidding. 4%. None of the financial bugger would give you 4% interest, right, per year. People are getting at 60% per year, right? So even now, my wife only has a bangle and the Mangal Sutra people call. So rest of the things are all safe in the locker, right? So get married to a working woman. That's my suggestion for a shameless entrepreneur like me, right? So after starting my first venture, I did try a lot of things. I did network. Even I was here for HR Sangam before year. I was like, I will not sit in the session. I will stand out. If some HR comes, sir, this is Suresh. I'm running a training. Oh, it's a training company. 100 other guys will be standing behind me to give the same card. Oh, it's a training company. Okay, what do? You help in recruitment. 100 other people will follow. 50 other people make an appointment. So ultimately, I couldn't even sign a deal with any of the top MNCs in Chennai. So இது இப்படியா நடந்துட்டு இருந்தது. So I couldn't scale the business. Why am I telling all these things is that I wasn't doing an innovative and scalable business model. So things which doesn't change doesn't grow. Things which doesn't grow, that dies. So you need to keep changing, keep growing. So that's one key takeaway in my first business. So have good mentors. So if you have a good idea, if you're very unique in your concept, so you will definitely attract good mentors. So one such person is Shivaraja Ramanathan. He is a founder of Native Lead. While I was running this training company, I got an opportunity to meet him. He told me one thing, Suresh, you're a good entrepreneur, but your business model is not good. It's not great. So do something. So that got me thinking, okay, you're very young, you're very dynamic, ellame okay, but you're sitting in a very wrong business model. So that's where I started, okay, we should do something really unique and scalable. So another person that I would like to mention here is Kumaravel sir. He's my good friend and mentor. So when I started Chai King, I recently met him 3 months back. He's such a close friend to me and a mentor. He's guiding me in the process. So all good people, you feel on the top, you can easily reach them. If you really see, if you're really serious enough in what you're doing it, right? So team is very important. As I told you, get married to a working woman. So why Chai King? So for me, chai more than a beverage, it's a problem solver. It's a stress buster. It's an emotion. It's a friend. It's a mentor. So I can have a lot of words like this for chai. So I'm a chai lover. I drink twice a day. But seriously, I found it really hard to get a good quality cup of chai with a very clean and hygiene environment. So that was a very peculiar problem. I think most of the guys would have faced this problem. So chai market is really pretty big. People say South India is dominated by coffee, filter coffee, things like that. So, but chai consumption is 14 times more than coffee, right? So it's a huge difference. So this 33,000 crore market, but none of the brands exist. You take a street, there are at least 100 tea shops, but 80 to 85%, it's not clean, hygienic, authentic. So that was the problem I thought we should solve. So that's where Chai King was born. My training business wasn't scalable. I had to shut down my training business. I went into loss, almost 20 lakhs, minus 20 lakhs. So, but I did have the courage to start something again all over. So, இது ஒன்று தான் நான் அடிக்கடி ஒய்ஃப்ட்ட சொல்லுவேன். ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு minus 20 lakhs. நாளைக்கு டீ கடை Chai King ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம். ஓகே, minus 6 lakhs. நாளைக்கு Chai King இல்லை, minus 50,000. So you can definitely be an entrepreneur all the time. So my mantra is live as an entrepreneur, die as an entrepreneur. So you need not go back to work. So that's a sort of spirit, that's a sort of risk-taking ability that I have got still now. So the first quality of an entrepreneur is to take risk. And the risk நான் கல்யாணத்துலேயே எடுத்துட்டேன். ஏன்னா if you the positive sense, if you can't take risk for a girl whom you love, வேற என்ன risk எடுக்க போறோம் லைஃப்ல, right? So that's where Chai King was born. What we do is we source these tea powders from the estates directly. We have tea tasters on a board. We blend our own tea. We give a very clean and hygiene environment. These are small format stores, 100 to 200 square foot stores. I call my employees as chai soldiers. Because king in சொல்லும்போது soldiers இருந்தால் தான் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். So I call myself as chai soldiers. So we serve this tea thing in a mud cup. So we also deliver to corporates in and around the store. So within a very short period of time, we got media attraction. We got all this பணம் இல்லைனா தான் என்னென்ன கிரியேட்டிவாக யோசிக்க முடியுமோ, all this crap you can think. So what we did is demonetization வந்த உடனே ஏடிஎம் முன்னால் பெரிய கியூ நின்றுட்டு இருந்து I thought, okay, இப்போ போய் டீ கொடுக்கலாம். டீ கொடுத்து if we can take a video, seriously 10 பேர்த்த டீ கொடுத்தேன். But the whole world thought that I was giving tea for every ATM in and around Chennai. I spent only 40 cups I made. 40 into 3.5 rupees is my cost. So roughly about 150 rupees. That's it. ஒரு வீடியோ பண்ணிட்டேன். It got viral. Your story covered me. Chennai memes-ல cover பண்ணாங்க. Seriously, it was only $150. அதான். So என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னா, பணம் என்னைக்கு இல்லையோ, so you do all creative stuffs around. So I don't have too much money when you start business. Right, so we were covered in a lot of media. Your story covered a detailed article because engineer turned tea master is a sensation. So every media wants to cover. So we did partner with Celebrity Badminton League, TIE Chennai, lot of things. So when you do quality work, when people see passion in you, definitely they'll support. So Sashikant, for what reason he supports me? I'm not a successful person. For what reason he should support me? Because he see quality in me, he see a lot of vision in me, right? So I can't afford real Rajinikanth to have a brand ambassador. So I got the Padayappa picture, made an art, and then gave a teacup in his hand. So everywhere I use. So the proverb is a single tea can make all the difference. My proverb is a single man can make a difference. So avladha tea kanakku adha vidyasam, right? So I've done. So to create a global tea brand from India, to create 5,000 entrepreneurs and 50,000 jobs. Nobody, no bugger should say he's working in a tea shop. Everybody should feel proud working in a tea shop, right? So I don't have money goal. Money will lose its charm. I only have vision goal, right? So failure is a prerequisite. Double your rate of failure, you will succeed. So thanks for the opportunity, HR Sangam, Sashi, for the opportunity. Before you end up, before you clap, I have a small exercise. So you're all very tired. So we'll take 3 steps. Hope you'll follow me, right? Can we start? Okay. Can you raise your hands like this? And then down. 2 steps, done, right? So pull your seat cover. Your seat cover. Either on your left or on the center. Can you find something? பா இது கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ எடுங்கப்பா, நம்ம ஃபேஸ்புக்கெலாம் போடணும், யூடியூப் போடணும், ப்ளீஸ் ஒரு 2-3 கேமரா கவர் பண்ணிங்கன்னா நல்லாயிருக்கும். லெஃப்டில் இருக்கும் இல்லைனா சென்டரில் இருக்கும், கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும். வைக்கலைன்னா ரைட் கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும், இல்லைன்னா கீழே விழுந்திருக்கும், சீட்டு கீழே இருக்கும். எல்லாம் வச்சேன், நான் செக் பண்ண. ஐ டிட் அ குவாலிட்டி கண்ட்ரோல். மாறுறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பே இல்லை. ஐ டிட். Okay. So you're all very tired. Please go home. Have a second tea break. Prepare. You can make 5 cups of tea with this tea powder. And if a kind request, if any of you can read what is there in the tea fact, there is one tea fact. If you can read it, I'll end up the session. யாராவது ஒருத்தர் பரவாயில்ல, கூச்சப்படாதீங்க. Be shameless. Claps.
Actually, the one interesting thing is keeping mosquitoes away.
Sir, full up படிங்க சார், ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு சார்.
Tea leaves are a natural means of keeping mosquitoes away.
Awesome. Sir, 4 இருக்கு சார்.
Okay. Estimated 1,500 different types of tea. Black tea is called red tea in China.
Okay.
Tea is the second most consumed drink in the world.
Awesome, sir. Thanks.
Okay, okay.
சரி, இதனால நான் என்ன கருத்து சொல்ல விரும்புகிறேன்னா, தயவு செஞ்சு சாய் கிங் டீ கன்சியூம் பண்ணுங்க. If you're all HRs, different companies. If you're SMEs, we have a solution, 10 to 60 employees. If you belong to a large MNC, we have a solution. We can come down, put our stall, give our manpower. We can give you quality cup of chai. A quality cup of chai is the best motivation that you can give to your employees. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you so much for the patient listening.
So, Suresh, I have one appreciation and question for you. See, lot of people have seen our Zingy app and appreciated us, okay? But one thing myself or my Zingy app team have seen, and we spoke for nearly 1 hour, is after your visit to our office in Chai King actually. Because the chief tea officer idea and everything, my Zingy app team was amazed with that concept.
Thank you so much.
And I thought of talking with him the other day for 10-15 minutes, but he was in a hurry to meet another customer. I have one question that day I want to ask. Now I want, how much of technology you are using to stay innovative and be on a scalable model actually?
Wonderful question. So I believe technology can do a lot of things, making the process seamless. So my plan is to have, publicly சொல்லிடுறேன், வேற யாராவது காப்பி பண்ணா பரவாயில்ல. So my plan is to have a chai ATM. So to have an automated machine, the tea should be freshly brewed, it should be given at very, very affordable rates. So அங்கே ATM இருக்கும், like you withdraw money, you need to have tea, a good quality tea. So that's my vision. So I'm going to bring technology into the picture. So that's all long term. So first I need to scale the business. I believe you need to have a lot of operational excellence than technology in the initial beginning. So I'm seriously looking at technology in the long term. Yes, sir, please.
Why did you think of leaving a job? You said this is the first time and last time I worked for something. What made you make this?
It's not my boss is the wrong person, but I thought I'm not fitting in somewhere. மோனோட்டோனஸாக திரும்ப, ஏன்னா வாட் ஐ டிட் வாஸ், ஒரு வேலை செஞ்ச ஒரு 4 வருஷத்தில் ஓரளவுக்கு வேலை இருந்தது. என்னைக்கு 2 விஷயம் இருக்குது வேலை விடுறதுக்கான. ஒன்று அதிகமாக வேலை இருக்கணும், இல்லை வேலையே இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்புறம் சும்மா சம்பளம் வாங்குற மாதிரி ஒரு ஆட்டிடியூட் வரும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் இட், ஐ பிகம் ரெஸ்ட்லெஸ். என்னால் அந்த ஜாபுக்கு போக முடியல. Because the books எல்லாம் படிக்கிறப்போ my motivation was into a different level. Than to earn money, my motivation went on to create a venture that can give employment, that can create temporary wealth for others and for myself. So no. Yeah.
Suresh, I'm a chai lover, and last week we were in Chennai for nearly 5 days, and I was desperately looking for good cup of tea. On the 5th day, we visited your chai.
Thank you so much.
We had a wonderful tea. I can vouch for that. Really enjoyed.
Thank you so much. Thanks. நான் எதுவும் சொல்லி வைக்கலங்க, அவங்களே தான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். Nice. Thank you so much.
So, Prithvi, we need you back. And we have an apt book to give Suresh. Our own Enigma, Amma. Somebody who wrote her story by just being an observer with her for 13 years. She didn't do a single interview with Amma. And that book is by Vasanthi. Catch it. It's a refreshing read. And that's for you, Suresh.